Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Super Mario Kart character, and this time it's gonna be Bloopers. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be really simple, and the hardest part is about these kind of simple drawings to get the correct proportions. So let's start out with the eyes. So we're just gonna draw one circle. It's one of the eyeballs. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the inside. Okay, so once you have one, for the spacing, just kind of come out and give another, almost the width of the eye. It's like slightly a little bit more than the width of the eye. And then we're gonna come across and just draw another circle. Okay, I'm gonna draw the inside as well. All right. And then now we're just gonna draw around it, so this part's easier. So just kind of draw like a bracket around the eye, both sides. And then once you have the bracket, just kind of curve it slightly and just connect that. Okay, so this one's gonna curve up slightly, and let's connect that. Alright, so that's the eye, and let's draw in the body. So for the body here, just draw like a little bit of bracket here. A little bit wider on the bottom. Okay, and then once you have that, let's go up and just finish up the top. So in the middle here, just kind of come up. You can make a little point first. Just curve up. And then right at the tip, I'm going to curve it slightly. And come back down, and then we can finish up the little details here. So right across from the eye, right on the bottom here, you can make a little mark on both sides, and then here we're gonna flare it out. Okay, and then we're just gonna go up. So you can make another point if you want, or you can just kind of go up and follow the curve on the bottom. And then this one, we're just gonna come back down. All right, and then let's see. For the arms, so right around here, we're just gonna come out. And we're gonna do it on both sides, so just come across. Just kind of flare out. And then we're just gonna come back, curve it, and come back into the body. And then lastly here for these little tentacles, so start in the middle, come about here. Okay, so slightly below the arms, make a little point here, and then I'm just gonna draw in a little angle like this. Okay, so we're just trying to get the spacing for the tentacles. And then on this side here, we're gonna continue this curve and just kind of stop right around there. Okay, right around here. Don't get past this one. Alright, and then once you have this, then it's really easy. You just come across and make 2 points right here in the middle. And then this one's gonna curve into this one. And this one's gonna come kind of straighter. Just round that off. Okay, so this one's gonna go into this one. And then this one's gonna come a little bit straighter. And just curve it, close it. And that is it for this bloopers from Mario Kart. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.